Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making one pot chicken spaghetti in the Copper Chef XL. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my Copper Chef XL. I'm going to start by adding in a 28 ounce can of crushed tomatoes. And I'm going to go ahead and fill that can up with water. And I'm going to add in a 28 ounce can of water. Now this seems like a lot of liquid guys, but we're going to cook the spaghetti in this one pot with this, and it's going to drink up that liquid. Now I'm going to add in a half a cup of white wine. I'm just eyeballing this. One more shot for good measure. I'm going to add in a quarter of a teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. And the seasoning's pretty straightforward and simple on this. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. And Dexter's awake today, guys. I'm going to go for a teaspoon of already grated garlic. If you use fresh garlic, about 2 cloves will do. Alright, now I have a 6-ounce jar of artichoke hearts that were marinated. I drained off the oil. They're going in. I have here about a cup of black olive sliced and some fresh basil. That's going to go in. And if there's something in this recipe you don't like, you can very easily leave it out. This isn't carved in stone. Okay. Now I have, for my spaghetti, this is a 1 pound box, 16 ounces. I'm going to put in about 11 ounces of spaghetti. And this should be 4 healthy servings, 5 regular sized servings. I'm just going to go ahead and break my spaghetti in half. That way there it'll be easier to stir around in there. Now Walmart sells pot-sized spaghetti, which is half length. That's really nice. I've used that before. You could buy that. That'd be a little easier for you. If I would have thought about it, I probably would have picked that up myself. Alright, we're getting close there, guys, on the spaghetti. I got there. Alright. Now that I have all my spaghetti in, all my seasonings, I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. I'm going to put them in here, and I thought them in this bag with a paper towel to catch the excess juice off of them. I'm going to get them down in here into the sauce. I'm going to get my spaghetti submerged. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and once this comes up to a boil, I'm going to cut my heat back, and I'm going to cook this on a medium boil to a simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and stirring it every so often until that chicken's cooked through and the spaghetti's tender. And I'm going to cover this while I cook it. So when this is done and it's ready to go, I'll bring you guys back. I'm going to pull that chicken out and shred it. I'll put it back in, then I'll bring you guys back, and then we'll dish this up. Alright guys, this one for 15 minutes, it's ready to go. And I know you're worried about all that liquid in there. See the way this drank that up? Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished this with some fresh Parmesan cheese. Let me get in here and give this a try. I'll start with some of that chicken. Nice and tender. Picked up the flavor of the sauce and the seasonings. Try some of the spaghetti here. It's really good, guys. Really loaded with flavors. Now I add a little bit of salt in there when I started cooking, just about a half a teaspoon or a quarter of a teaspoon. That's optional. But that's really good, guys. It was one pot and it's easy. So there you have it, guys. One pot chicken spaghetti in the Copper Chef XL. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.